What if I told you you could turn someone else's Reddit post into a viral YouTube video without writing, recording, or editing? Welcome to the world of Reddit to YouTube automation using AI. Let's break it down and build your next faceless content channel, fast. Step 1. Find a viral Reddit thread. Go to reddit.com/r/askreddit, r, true off my chest, or r, stories. Look for threads with 1. 1000 plus upvotes. 2. High comment activity. 3. Emotional, funny, or wild storytelling. Example, these posts already have built-in curiosity and virality. Turn Reddit into a script. Take the top post and paste it into ChatGPT with this prompt. Within seconds, ChatGPT will hand you a video-ready narration that keeps viewers hooked. Optional. Ask ChatGPT to split it into shorts or episodic content for longer threads. Step 3. Create a faceless video with Pictory. Open Pictory.ai, select script to video. 1. Paste the ChatGPT generated script. 2. Pictory automatically finds visuals. 3. Choose a voiceover or upload your own AI voice. 4. Add captions plus background music. Now you've got a faceless story-based YouTube video, fully AI generated. Perfect for 1. Shorts. 2. Full videos. 3. TikTok and Reels cross-posting. Step 4. Monetize and grow. Why this works: emotional stories equals high watch time. Curiosity equals high click-through. Faceless equals scalable. AI equals zero burnout. How to monetize. 1. Add affiliate links under life advice videos. 2. Link to an anonymous confessions blog or newsletter. 3. Use Amazon influencer links in storytelling channels. These videos build audiences fast, and your library of videos stacks value every week. Reddit is a goldmine of free, addictive content, and with AI, you can turn it into videos daily. Next video: how AI turns boring news into viral storytelling YouTube content. It's the easiest way to go faceless and still get views. Hit subscribe, and let's build your next faceless channel together.